Hey, this is my take. I'm John Kavox, and I got something really exciting to show you. As we all know, there have been limited offerings in the 1/24th scale as of the recent years or so. But there are a couple of manufacturers that are keeping it alive. And one of those top manufacturers doing really high quality stuff in 1/24th is Automodello. And what I've got here today, actually got a couple to show you. So there'll be a few videos on this, but I have their 1969 ISO Grifo Series 1, part of their 1/24 series, keeping the dream alive in 1/24. And let me tell you where this came from. Right after World War II, there was a surge of interest in European-style cars. Guys coming home from the war effort. They were looking for something unique, something that they saw over there, sporty, and some European manufacturers saw a lot of wisdom in combining a European-looking car with American reliability and maybe American V8. So there's a guy named Renzo Revolta, had a passion for precision and performance, and he founded a company called ISO. Now, in 1962, they introduced their very first car. It was the ISO Revolta GT. Now, this car had a chassis designed by the engineering wizard Giotto Bizzarini, absolute genius when it came to designing suspension systems and making maybe large cars handle really well. Had a body penned by the famous Giugiaro. Again, beautiful, voluptuous Italian, just reeking with class. So the next car that came out was the ISO Grifo. Same people involved in designing the chassis and the car. That was in 1965. Had a Chevy 327, 300 horsepower engine in it, so it was powerful enough as it was. And they were doing well. They had the dream of coming out with a car that would compete head-to-head with Ferrari, Lamborghini, Maserati, all the big dogs in Europe, and they were there. But by 1969, ISO was putting V8s up to 427 tri-carb V8 in it, extremely powerful, and they were just at the top of their game. So this 1969 model is the model that Automodello has chosen to give us a replica of in 1/24th scale. Now it comes in 5 colors. I'll explain them to you because there are different levels of production numbers here as well. They have 99 units of Rosso Chiaro, which is a red. They made 99 units of Verde Metallizzato. I probably butchered that, but this is a green color. They made 49 units of their Encomium edition in Argento Aciul Metallizzato. This is gray. They made 49 units in the Encomium edition in what they call Arancio, and then they made only 6 in Nero, which is a black color. I'm going to get these out of the box and let's take a look at them. Detail on them is absolutely incredible. Beautiful interiors. They've got different wheels on the different colored models, and I'll tell you where you can get them and how much they'll be as well. Okay, so let's take a look at this orange one first, and I'm going to try and describe this to you. I've tried to adjust the lighting to get an accurate color, but this thing vibrates. The paint is just phenomenal on it. It's bright, it's deep. They've done a really great job, and the model looks fantastic. The wheels are little works of art, fantastic. The trim, all of the little bits and pieces on the car, the vents, the grills over the vents, the trim around the windows, really, really well done. The glazing is super clear. The interior is dark because of it being black, but it is highly detailed. And once you take a look through those windows with the proper rod, maybe get a flashlight or something like that, you'll be amazed at the detail on the dash, how the gauges appear. All the glazing, everything, just a beautiful car. We'll have some close-ups when we get the green car on the turntable. Here's the green. Once again, finish is absolutely fabulous. That paint is deep and lustrous. The flake is to scale. Just beautifully done. Notice the wheels are different on each model. I think Automodello goes out of their way to make sure that each of their models is distinguishable. And here's a look at the interior. And what I want you to see on this is the gauges. They're very realistic looking. You read all the numbers and everything legible. Great looking steering wheel. Great wood grain on it. Very, very nicely done. Another look at the interior. Check out the wood grain on the dashboard. It's excellent. And again, those gauges, just little works of art. Here's a close look at some of the details. Take a look at that badging. It's absolutely exquisite. The turn signal lights, the side marker lights, the chroming on a bumper, very well done. And those wheels are just beautiful. Spinner hubcaps and everything. Take a look at the venting on the front quarter panel there. Very, very well done. The rocker panel and everything, all the fit and everything is perfect. There's no glue marks. It's something that Automodello does really well. Another look at the car on the turntable, just to give you an idea of what it looks like in hand. This 1/24th, a great scale to be able to exhibit some of the exquisite detail without taking up all the room of some of the larger scales. So this is a real sweet spot, and I'm glad that somebody's dedicated to producing high quality, high detail, high fidelity 1/24ths. We need to thank Automodello for that. And Jim Cowan, who runs Automodello, his attention to detail and his absolute insistence that all the little things be right, which make the car look hyper realistic once you get it out of the box. Beautiful job, Automodello. Thank you. So you can order direct from automodello.com. Retail starts at $249.99 for the standard edition, 99 units each. It's $299.99 for the encomium edition. They made 49 each of those, and if you're looking for one of the exclusive Nero in black, they're $899.99. All that is plus shipping. So you can find all this on Automodello's site, automodello.com. While you're there, you can take advantage of their customer loyalty program. Really great program. Take a look at it. They also have an exclusive payment program that you can take advantage of. So if you're looking at picking up a couple of these, if you're going to get your 1/24th Jones on, this is a really good way to do it. Jim Cowan and Automodello is a good guy to deal with, and he's working hard at keeping the dream alive on 1/24th. So that is Automodello's 1969 ISO Grifo Series 1. Hope you like the model. If you like the video, do me a favor, give me a like down there in the lower right hand corner. We would love to have you as a subscriber. We just hit 900 subscribers. Now we're going to start working on 1,000. I appreciate your time. I look forward to talking to you again real soon.